Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana, health benefits. Hey everybody, welcome to Healthworthy Hub. Today, we'll go over 10 different health benefits of the Yoga Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. Then we'll explain to you how to perform it step by step with a perfect position. So make sure to keep watching until the end to don't miss out. The Cobra Pose and its variations have a physical influence on the frontal and posterior areas from the chin to the toes. Additionally, favorable changes in the functioning of internal organs are observed, as well as benefits to the emotional well-being. Benefit number 1, anxiety relief. The Cobra posture opens the heart for stress relief and anxiety treatment by assisting in the discharge of negative thoughts and frustrations when the chest is elevated in the pose. Additionally, the lungs expand, resulting in increased oxygenation in the body, which feeds the brain. Benefit number 2, eases asthma. The reported benefits of Bhujangasana include relief from asthma, dissipation of allergy symptoms, and relief from other respiratory disorders by opening the chest cavity and allowing the lungs to expand. Benefit number 3, good digestion. The Cobra Pose is performed in a lying posture, providing a gentle massage to the digestive system. Stretching the frontal plane triggers optimal working abdominal organs, while compressing the lower back energizes the kidneys, resulting in a better gastrointestinal function. Benefit number 4, strength and flexibility. The spine gets a nice stretch in Bhujangasana when you arch your back, which helps to strengthen the spinal column. The position also tones the legs, shoulders, and gluteal muscles, giving you a strong physique and a slim bottom. Benefit number 5, reduces a backache. The positives of the Cobra stance are numerous, especially in today's world. One benefit is healing from backache and neck discomfort. The stretching action loosens and opens the shoulders, chest, and neck, relieving upper body stiffness. Benefit number 6, minimizes injury. The practice of Cobra position can help runners and bikers avoid hip flexor injury. Bhujangasana stretches the front area of the hips and improves blood circulation in that area, resulting in flexibility and lowering the chance of injury. Benefit number 7, soothes sciatic pain. The sciatic nerve impingement creates shooting aches down the leg. The answer to this issue is safe spinal stretching and improved tissue flexibility, which may be accomplished by performing Bhujangasana. The low Cobra Pose, which is a variation, also reduces pain by softening the spinal impingement. Benefit number 8, awakens the Kundalini. The Cobra Pose activates the Kundalini, a divine cosmic energy that promotes self-awareness, creativity, charisma, inner calm, and spiritual enlightenment. Physically, Kundalini's awakening results in increased physical strength, as well as relief from kidney stones, stomach issues, and liver problems. Benefit number 9, chakra balancing. The 7 chakras of the body become balanced and synchronized when the Kundalini is activated, resulting in observable changes in the individual's body, psyche, and attitude. Benefit number 10, optimal well-being. The position has a positive impact on all aspects of the body and delivers positive outcomes. Listen to your body, pay close attention to the details, and follow the steps to get the most out of Bhujangasana's health benefits. So after going through the different health benefits of the Cobra Pose, here's how to do it. 1. Lie down on your stomach with your legs extended behind you and your arms by your sides, facing the floor. 2. Place the tips of your feet on the mat and extend your legs a few inches apart. 3. Place your hands close to your body with your palms touching the ground under the shoulders. 4. Push your toes and hands on the floor. Take a slow and deep breath in and gradually elevate your head and chest. 5. Keep your lower ribs down on the floor. 6. Move your shoulder blades away from your ears and look straight forward. 7. Remain in this position for 15 to 20 seconds and then release. Do it 5 to 10 times. This concludes today's video. Comment your thought on this amazing Cobra Pose in the comment section below, and we will reply to it. If you got value from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notifications bell on for future healthy tips videos. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.